I'm going to be walking you through how to load the RiverLife Church app onto your cell phone. If you have an Android phone, you will go into Play Store. If you are on Apple, you'll go into the Apple equivalent. You will then need to select the RiverLife Church app and open it. Once you are on our RiverLife Church app homepage, then you will find there's an icon that will take you to our RiverLife Facebook page, our RiverLife YouTube page, and our RiverLife Instagram page. By touching the menu button at the top left-hand side, the three little lines, it will give you options. Info will take you to our information page. Calendar will redirect you to a page that will give you 4 options. Services with information about our midweek and Sunday services. If you go back, you will find information under events where it redirects you to our RiverLife Church website, and that takes you to the events page there, which will give you information about the upcoming events at RiverLife Church. And by scrolling down, you can see what those are. By then going back, you'll be able to also go into the calendar, which will also redirect you to our RiverLife Church website, and you will find the calendar. There's June's calendar, July's calendar. By going back, you can go into the notice board where all of the graphics for upcoming information that's been sent out can be found. You can go back to the home page, menu bar, and from there we can go into messages. These are messages that RiverLife Church has sent out to you, but there's also a place there for you to be able to send messages to the RiverLife Church cell phone. If we go back to if we go back to the menu, small groups gives you information about life groups. Back to the menu, sermons will take you to our YouTube channel where the sermons are recorded, and all past and present sermons can be found there. We can also have access to the video announcements, which are also on YouTube. And by going back, you can also access an electronic visitors form where you can type in your information and fill out your details. And then by submitting it, we receive that information. There's also an electronic prayer requests form, which can be done either anonymously or with your information, and you'd fill that out and send prayer request at the bottom. Then there's also a link to NCMI Global Network page, who we partner with, and that would redirect you to NCMI's website. If we go back from there, you can also access a Bible app on this. And then if you go back once again, you'll be able to see there's another link once more to the RiverLife Facebook page, Instagram page, and website. Right at the bottom, you'll find the audio or SoundCloud. And this is where all of our podcasts of sermons, as well as our daily devotionals in audio format, are kept. And so those are the same ones that you were receiving on WhatsApp previously. So you can go to that. And then from there, you can return back to the home page. And that is very much all that there is to know about the RiverLife Church app. Thank you.